It's moving day, Maggie. These slides are in, all nice and cozy. Slides are in. Bathroom about done. We gotta move these slides in. What do you think, Maggie? Is it bye-bye day? Huh? You better go eat your breakfast so we can go. Getting back on the road, guys. Heading north, finally, because it's hot. We gotta bring the kitty in, shut all that up. It is 86 degrees, 10:24 in the morning.
All right, guys, another job well done. This track system works really nice. I like it. Now I have to figure out how to make a tilt bracket. Lots of glass. Looks really good. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Aaron, and today we're leaving Arizona. We finally got our big solar job done. We're heading north. We're actually heading ultimately to Idaho, to Caldwell for the 2021 West Coast HDT Rally. We're going to see a lot of you guys there, I know, so we're looking forward to that. But in the meantime, we're going to truck north. I think we're going to stop at Lone Rock Beach in Page, Arizona. You ready? Maggie's ready. She's already napping. Maggie's already napping.
Ready to get out of the heat. Excessive heat warning beginning Tuesday, 117 degrees. You all stay cool out there.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
It's super low. What do you think, Maggie? Tragedy at Lake Powell. Look how low it is. It's like...
We'll have to look up our pictures from 2017.
We were here last year, and it was probably 10 feet higher when we were here last year. Wow. Lake Powell might just disappear in our lifetime. Let's hope not.
I can't believe how low. We've
Need some rain.
4 times in the 4 years.
Yeah. Too much drought.
Yeah.
Ready to roll?
Grandpa got stuck pulling lunch.
Where do we have to go?
Let's get some sunscreen on.
Ah. See the big bird? What? See the big bird?
Is it kind of big? No.
What you see out there?
Bradley.
Big elephant?
Holy moly.
Getting it all clean. Yeah, they're almost done now, I think. Get the engine clean.
Already?
Yeah. Well, they gotta do the front now. All right, well, we made it to Caldwell. So we're in Caldwell, Idaho. It's Monday morning. We're gonna head over to the RV park and check in for the rally. So let's jump in the truck and head over there and see if everyone's arrived yet. Hey, they're here already.
They've been here
Oh, have they?
like Saturday.
That's a long rig.
They had it painted white. It looks really cool.
Yeah, it looks good.
Where's Jim?
All right, guys, well, we made it to the RV park. It looks like there's quite a few people here already. We're gonna go get checked in and get parked, And then to be continued, join us next week, and we're going to do some interviews with some other HDT owners and see if we can get their input on what it's like to own and operate an HDT. A couple of you guys asked for some more information around that, so that's what we're going to do. All right, well, that's all we have for you today. Stay tuned till next week, and we'll see some more HDT action here at the rally. And until next time,
Safe travels.
bye.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning.
All right, well, that's it for today, and until next time.
Safe travels.
We'll do that again.
I was looking down there.